do me a favor.
I sit down for you.
So do me a favor. Pull your money out. Pull your money out.
No, I don't like doing that.
Okay, so if you don't do, I'm arresting you.
No, it's not that. It's not that.
No. I'm not going back.
Respect.
I'm not going back and forth with you.
Respect.
Okay, so look, I'm gonna tell you this. You got 5 seconds. You got 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Before I change this to
1,
an
2,
arrest.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, man, are you gonna pay the money?
Look, I'm gonna pay, but look at respect.
So pay.
Respect, though.
Pay. Okay, I'm giving you respect. I'm telling you to pay. So
relax. Pay. Please. I love the tax. I love everything that you're doing. I love everything, bro. Look. Relax.
Okay, come on, stand up.
Oh, okay, look. Stop. Don't flex on. Oh, you're right.
Yeah, man.
I'll pay.
You gonna pay
Okay, come on, pay. Hey, look.
Look, I will pay.
Pull it out. If you don't pull it out, I'm locking you up. I'm not playing this game with you.
Bro, it's not about them games, bro.
So pull the money out. Come on.
You're right. I'm sorry.
So come on.
I'm sorry.
Come on. Okay, come on.
I'm sorry. Look. You can't take my ID, though.
Give me your ID.
Stop.
You got it. Take me to jail. I didn't do anything, bro.
Stop.
You guys want it? Young man, what? Bro, look, I already dislocated.
Stop.
Dislocated shoulder, bro. And we do extra. Please.
Stop.
Please.
Stop resisting.
Please, I'm not resisting. Please. Get out. Please.
Sir, stop resisting.
Please, I already asked you. 1, 2, 3.
You got it.
Nah.
No, I already told you. Please.
Stop moving.
Oh, okay, I'm not moving. Look.
Stop moving.
Look, my headphones is out of my ear.
Sir, listen to me.
No, please.
Listen to me.
Please.
Listen to me.
Please. Look, my shoulder is not. Oh. Please. Okay.
Now you going to jail.
Jail?
Yeah.
Transport?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah, you're saying so I want to cooperate.